What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Ford Escape started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2013 Ford Escape in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to these Escapes that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is take our key fob and we're going to place it on the right-hand side of the steering column. You can see this icon of a key right here. And I found that this is pretty touchy on how you have it sitting on there. Some vehicles will need to sit on there like this with the side pressing. I found that this vehicle needs the key fob upside down with the side pressing that icon. And then once you have it on that icon, press the brake in and start it as normal. And that's it. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.